Hi friends, this is Deep and you are watching the Backpack Wanderer. Today we have a product which we received from Pockeats. They have sent it from Surat, Gujarat. So let's see what's there inside. This is the package which I received yesterday and today I'm going to unbox it. So let's see what's there inside. So we are just unboxing it. Let's see what's there. It came from Pockeats.com. It's a company from Surat, Gujarat. So let's open it. Oh my god, so many products. It has looks like it has peanuts, roasted peanuts in different flavors. This is zesty lime. This is lightly salted. One more rusty salted. One more lightly salted. This is spicy chakna. Spicy chakna. Wow, what a name. One more. Yes, one more. Yet another. And this is a voucher which they have sent me. So this is from Pockeats. You can log into their website pockeats.com, and here is their number from which you can contact them and order. They are also offering franchises, so you can directly dial in and connect with them to get a franchisee. This packet is of rupees 10, and they also offer some big boxes as well. So this is the brochure. This is their contact number and the website. You can also buy it from the Amazon. I will provide the link in the description. Looks like so many benefits of it. You can check in the brochure itself. So now let me open the roasted peanut, light salted. Wow, too good, very much crispy. So let me taste it. So let's taste it. Let's see how it tastes. Looks very fresh, and it tastes awesome. It's not that much spicy. Even children and adults can eat it, and it's awesome. I will try others in the later part. So if you want to buy, I will provide the link in the description, and their mobile number will be displayed here in your screen. Just check it out. So I just review it. One is this zesty lime. Another one is this roasted peanut, lightly salted, which I just opened and tasted. And this one is spicy chakna, so must be too much spicy. And this comes in 10 rupees, and I already showed you. In 10 rupees you get this much of peanut, roasted peanut. It's good, the quality is good, and taste is also good. So I would recommend this to all the food lovers to enjoy it with whatever they would like to take it with. Thank you. Keep watching the Backpack Wanderers. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. We also have one subsidiary YouTube channel. It is the Unsung 0. It comes with so many funny videos and some of the travel videos as well. So I will provide his link in the description, and keep following him as well. Thank you.